Stay with me. I want to show you how to download all of your Instagram videos. Okay, so go to Instagram. Now check on which video you want to download. This is a video. Click on this thing, then you click copy the link. Okay, so once the link is copied, you go to Chrome. Right now, when you go to Chrome, you type instavideosales.com, then you click on videos. Now, okay, so you tap here, then you post the link. And once you post the link, you click download, and this is the video that once you download it, that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.